Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials: a master cycle or paraglider, stamina food, and light gear. Once done, stash heavy weapons and shields. You want the lowest sustained drain on your battery slot. Next, eat an Endura-based item to boost your stamina buffer, because you will rely on short, efficient bursts rather than constant power use. Move now to a safe spot where you can freely toggle equipment. This is the foundation that makes the single reliable method work consistently. You now perform the method. Power the device in short, deliberate pulses, about 2 to 3 seconds, then release and wait until the battery meter visibly stops dropping. Because batteries recover slightly when not actively used, this pulsing nets more total runtime. Also, make sure you disable any passive item effects that siphon energy and avoid constant sprinting or shield surfing. Once you master the rhythm of pulse, pause, pulse, you'll multiply usable minutes dramatically. To finish, use your remaining charge for one controlled glide or park trick that maximizes distance per unit energy. If you notice rapid drains, inspect equipment. Some items or effects run in background and wreck the method. Make sure your battery isn't damaged. Switch to a fresh battery if available. If you get stuck mid-run, reload a nearby checkpoint and repeat the pulsing routine with lighter gear. This reboot often clears hidden drains and restores expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.